Motivation can be hard to come by. And how we deal with that feeling and pick ourselves back up is up to us. This year, Jord and I decided to travel around the Canary Islands for 4 weeks. What we experienced there has been truly amazing, and we thought instead of telling you what happened, well, we'd show you our journey. Hey guys, I'm Lars, the one that created this video, and before I take you with us on this journey, I wanted to explain why we decided to travel to the Canary Islands in the middle of the year. Both Jord and I always had this desire to explore, see new places, and with that, travel the world. When last school year came to a close, I was struggling with the feeling that what I was studying just wasn't for me. I wasn't happy with the position I was in and, well, in the end, decided to take a leap of faith. I quit my study and decided to use the upcoming year to travel, make some extra money while I figured out what I wanted to do. This is where the idea of traveling to an exotic place came to mind. And luckily, Jord was there to answer the call. He was in the middle of finding an internship for his next semester, but because of the ongoing pandemic, wasn't able to find the right one. With a lot of countries in lockdown and others with strict rules, we had to plan our trip carefully. There was only one thing we knew for sure. We would go somewhere where we could write our own story and see new and exotic places. That's why we decided to take our backpacks and travel to the Canary Islands. And well, with that being said, we hopped on the first plane and went to our first stop, Tenerife. After we explored Tenerife for about a week, we decided it is time to pack our bags again, hop on the next ferry and go to our next destination, Gran Canaria. After Gran Canaria, we were planning on visiting Fuerteventura next. We would start on the south side of the island, explore for a few days and then travel upwards to the north side. We saw that there was a small volcanic-shaped island close to the shoreline that we wanted to explore. So, knowing that, we jumped on the next ferry and made our way to our next destination. And man, let me tell you, it was one of the most unique experiences I've ever had.
Deep in the ocean, dead and cast away, where innocence burn in flames. A million miles from home, I'm walking ahead. I'm frozen to the bones. I am a soldier on my own. I don't know the way. I'm riding up the heights, all shame. I'm waiting for the call, the hand on the chest. I'm ready for the fight and fate.
Yeah, Fuerteventura was wild. It's unlike any other place I've ever been before, and I really hope you may experience it yourself one day. Now, all that was left was hop into an airplane and fly towards our last island, La Palma. At the time, we were a bit unsure if we would be able to make it there, as while we were exploring the other islands, a massive volcanic eruption has taken place on the west side of the island. But luckily, after a bit of uncertainty, our flight was approved and we headed towards our final destination. Yeah, and with that, our journey came to an end. This whole adventure has just been one amazing experience, and I really want to thank Jord for coming along and doing this with me. But before I leave, there's just one more thing we would like to show you. Just before we left La Palma, Jord and I got this once in a lifetime opportunity to witness a real active volcano.